Spray Fix Advanced Appetite Management Formula. I think that's what I got in here. And frequently asked questions. What makes BioTRUST different from everything else on the market? We only use top quality ingredients that are free from added junk such as hormones, antibiotics, and artificial sweeteners and flavors. How long do I have supplements before I see results? Critical to give the product at least, say, minimum of 60 to 90 days. Can I take more than one BioTRUST supplement at a time? Absolutely. If I have medical conditions, can I take metabolic products? Metabolic products are designed to use by healthy adults over 18. Please review product labels carefully. What if a product doesn't work for me? While the product is based on extensive amounts of peer review research and are designed to work, if for any reason you're unsatisfied with the product, you have 1 year to return it. Sounds pretty good. And the back of it says you got BioTRUST Radio, and you can catch them on social media. So we will get more into that. And these were pretty much free samples, all there is, shipping and handling. Let's see what I got. Got the Advanced Carbohydrate Management and Metabiotic Support. Promotes increased insulin sensitivity, supports healthy glucose metabolism, and petitions carbs to muscle and not fat. So that's IC5. Don't eat carbs without it. So I guess it's a carbohydrate blocker is basically what it is. And then here's a sample of the low carb BioTRUST protein drink. Time released 4-protein blend. Hormone-free proteins, only 4 grams net carb per serving, made with natural ingredients. No artificial colors, sweeteners, or flavors. Non-GMO, soy, and gluten-free formula. So we're gonna try it. You set yourself up on an automatic sending on this. So my deal is I want to at least taste it, find out see what it tastes like, and then see directions with the IC5 is directions: take 2 capsules with 2 Take 2 capsules with your 2 large carbohydrate containing meals of the day. Okay. So the largest meal, you want to take 2 of those and see how that good goes. But of course, like, it's going to take a little while, see how it works. And I will do another follow-up on that. See how that works. So we are talking about BioTRUST.com, and we will see how that works on my new nutrition quote diet. But the thing is, it not only comes to you like that, but they also send you daily daily articles and stuff like that. So we will see. We will see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you've tried the BioTRUST products. Let me know how they work. And definitely comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you under I just bought it. And with this, it says add 2 scoops to 8 ounces of water or milk, and then mix until smooth. Use a shaker, bottle, or a blender for best results. Consume immediately. The addition of liquid allows prohydrolase to begin hydrolyzing, breaking down the protein, causing the finished beverage to become bitter over time. Consume immediately. The addition of liquid allows prohydrolase to begin hydrolyzing or breaking down the protein, causing the finished beverage to become bitter over time. Okay. So you want to get it down as soon as you can. Contains milk. This product is manufactured in a facility that produces eggs, fish, tree nuts, peanuts,